Okay, good morning guys.
Morning.
We have work from Mr. Yoki and we have played some games. That game is mathematics split.
Okay, let's go.
Let's start from Home Timpa.
Home Timpa ala Yuga Break.
Now we split. Let's start from Akbar.
Okay. Rahma has 12 apple, she got 3 more orange. How many fruits does Rahma have in total?
Okay, you answer.
Answer 12 plus 12 plus 3 equals 15.
Okay, thank you.
Right?
Next,
Next.
Akbar 45 candies. He gave 29 candies to his girlfriend. How many candies does her have give? 45 minus 29 equals 16.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, thank you.
Now
Next,
start from Gunawan.
The fruit soup and apple which contains 12 apples. How many apples do it we have is 4. 14, 12 equals 48.
That's correct. Now Gunawan has 25 ball and 5 friends to play with him. If the balls are shared equally, how many balls does each person get? The answer 25 divided by 5 equals 5.
Okay, thank you.
That's from us thinking.
Thank you.